My name is Zubair Ansari. I am the CTO for Science System. Today we are going to talk about our group policy management application. The typical requirement for the application is Windows Server 2012, 2008, Windows 8, Windows 7, any of Microsoft Windows client or server machine can be used for installation. Need access to Active Directory, any of the directory starting from 2000 onwards. File share, this is the repository the application uses, .NET version 3.5 onwards, and GPMC installed on the machine. Let's take a look at it and see, uh, starting from the installation of the application. I have connected to a box, remote box, and I have downloaded the application. I'll double click on it and walk through the installation. It's installing the application, and once the application is installed, you can see a icon on the desktop. Click on it, and here the application launches, and here you can see the group policies and some of the policies that are on the domain. In the configuration, you have to configure the domain, the high privilege account, so that you're able to modify it and author the group policies. Repository location is the central repository that all the installations of GPOManager will use it. This has to be a shared folder, and make sure that all users have read, write, and modify access to the folder. Similarly, for the backup and restore, it has to be it's a file share, and make sure that it is a shared resource, and all the installation are able to talk to the share and have read, write, modify privileges. Once it's configured, you should be able to see your existing policies in the domain. You can perform different functions, many different functions on the top. You see the functionality, workflow. You can configure the workflow. You can create group policies, templates, filters, many different filters. You can do backup and restore. You can have many different types of reports. You have configuration. You can force replication. You can configure the workflow, and if you need, there's additional functionality. You can delegate it. You can, it allows for migrating group policies from one domain to another domain, and so on and so forth. Whenever you want to edit a policy, it will check out first. If you double click on it, for example, I'm going to double click on it right now. It says the status is available, and some of it you can see that the status is checked out. That means somebody has modified it and have not checked it back in, so the changes are not in effect. Let me check in, and I can put some comments. Search field. Okay, check-in has completed, and as you can see, the policy has become available. That means enforced in the domain. Let me open a policy, and for modification, when I double click on it, I can see the policy. I should be able to see it, and I can see the details. As you can see, you can export it to XML or HTML. Suppose I want to edit, I can right click on it and I click on edit. Here I can modify the policy, and I did not make any modification, but if you modified it, it will go into checkout process. I'll have to check in order to make the changes effective in the domain. In addition to that, this has cloaking, linking. You can add comments, versioning, undoing the changes. You can do comparison between group policies, so on and so forth. Hope you like the product. Please try it out by going to our site, that is www.sciencesystems.com, and go to products and download GPO Manager. Thank you.